how's it going everybody? Just on way up to Knockhill for the first day of 2 Northern Solons, and I'm really nervous. Don't know why. I've really done like a big hype intro and shouting and all that. I'm just nervous for some reason. I've not raced since last September, so I assume it's just that. I usually get a wee bit nervous, but I'm quite nervous today for some reason. I don't know. I think once I get there and get the motor unloaded and scrutineered and me signed on and that, I'll be a bit calmer. But right now, I'm just feeling it a wee bit, feeling the pressure. So I'll see he's up there and probably enjoy the video.
Like what?
What's happening? How's it going everybody? I've already done an intro, so I don't know why I'm saying that. But anyway, just getting ready to go out. We're out in half an hour for qualifying. I missed the sighting lap things that you're meant to do because we went into, I got signed on, went to scrutineering, and as we drove in the clutch cable snapped on the escort, and whilst it snapped it pulled the wire off the oil sender, like the oil pressure light, which I did say in the last video the cable's a bit ghetto and all that, but I just sent it anyway and that happened. So I've just put the old cable back on, which is seized, but I can still get it done, so it'll do for the weekend anyway. And then aye, that's about it, man. It's all happening. And I have fireproof socks. Look at these baddies, man.
That's because I got you fireproof socks.
Baddies. That's about it, so just getting ready to go out. We'll see how we get on in qualifying. Hopefully all goes well. Cut.
Actually come in, they actually do making areas as well. Having to contend with the spray for off the other car. That's the reason why I think today you'll see Andrew Morrison pretty much running the one going. He managed to beat that today and actually get time put any traffic in front of him, and I think he's going to do the other driver just trying to time of run.
Maybe?
Oh.
Brake Scott.
Oh, I need to go and watch that.
tell?
No, there's no 6, that would be 5. Because it does it open one
Oh, sorry, I don't speak V engine very well. So it would be 5 now. Fuck's sake. Oh, was that the end? Oh, so he didn't do it because he'd been flagged. Checker flag.
Oh, now? Is that not the checker flag?
Ah, that's the checkered one.
Well, they were in the lead. The big V8 and Andrew Morrison.
But they never checkered them. That's what I'm a bit confused about.
It's still out, so...
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, good. I don't know if anyone knows what they're doing today. It seems like a screwed up fucking... They were calling Group 1 and Group 2 and Group 1 and Group 2 this morning.
Most of the cases about when we get back the ball,
So I'm just editing the video now. This is now going on to the second day of racing. Obviously just gone back up to fix them a little bit. The lens on the camera actually broke. So I got a couple of clips for people's phones and then just the videos for the GoPros and stuff. So that's all we're really dealing with for there on it. But it was still good, keep watching. In qualifying really was we done maybe 4 or 5 laps, and just as I was about to do a quick lap I had like a big tank slap on, came off, and then the car just didn't feel right after that, and when we brought it back to the sump, brought it back to the pits, the front diff had ripped off the sump, so we ended up having to try to fix that as good as we could, but we could only really get one bolt in it, the other ones had ripped the threads out, so we just ended up with like cable ties and sealer and stuff holding the diff on, which was wasn't ideal to say the least, but we got back out for the race anyway.
I just had an oil, we can basically get rid of the stuff
Happy?
So as you can see, we ended up with gearbox issues and basically broke everything. I think we broke the gearbox, the back diff is broke as well, which is funny because it's a 7.5. And if you know causes, it's 4-wheel drive, a 7.5-inch rear. You shouldn't really break that, but it has. And we also cracked all the sump, and the front diff was ready to fall off. But these things happen. Basically, I was a wee bit upset just because I could have easily finished second in class in that race, and easily. You seen the video basically yourself. And the BMW that was in front was the guy that finished second. So I think I could have easily finished second, but these things happen, and it'll be built back up and doing at Croft in 5 weeks, hopefully, and hopefully get a good result there. Because looking at it, looking at like the timesheets after the race and the timesheets I've had for races before, my like quickest times that I can do, that I know I can do, like last year when I was racing, is times like the guy that was in the 3rd and 4th place finished in the race. So I really could have got somewhere, I reckon, if we just didn't have the gearbox issues. But obviously, as you seen in the video, we had a lot of gearbox issues, so these things happen. We'll have it back out shortly. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to leave a comment if you did and like the video, and subscribe so you can keep up to date with everything we'll be doing, because obviously we've got a fair bit of work now to get the motor back ready, and in 5 weeks I think we're racing again down at Croft. So thanks for watching.